Welcome, students! To excel in WAEC physics, you must understand the game plan. The exam is divided into 3 parts: Paper 1 for objectives, Paper 2 for theory, and Paper 3 for the practicals. You need to be sharp with your calculations and very precise with your definitions. In Nigeria, we value hard work, and mastering this syllabus is the first step to becoming a great engineer or scientist. Let's dive in.
In physics, everything starts with measurement. We have 7 fundamental quantities like mass in kilograms and time in seconds that don't depend on anything else. Then we have derived quantities like force and pressure, which we get by combining the fundamental ones. When you are in the lab, make sure you know how to use your vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. Don't let parallax error ruin your results.
Think about a downfall bus zooming down the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. That is mechanics in action. We study how things move using Newton's laws. Whether it's a projectile like a football kicked at the stadium or a car coming to a sudden stop, the laws of motion and the conservation of energy explain it all. Remember, energy cannot be destroyed, only changed from one form to another. Professional Nigerian tutor, have you noticed how water stays cool in a traditional clay pot even when the sun is hot? That's thermal physics. We also look at waves, how light reflects off a mirror, and how sound echoes in our large auditoriums. Understanding how heat moves through conduction, convection, and radiation is essential for your WAEC theory paper. Pay close attention to the properties of waves like refraction and diffraction.
We all want constant power, but do you know how it works? Electricity is all about the flow of charges. We use Ohm's law to calculate voltage and current. In our homes, we use parallel circuits so that if one bulb blows, the rest stay on. We also study transformers, those big boxes on our streets, and how they use magnetism to step up or step down voltage for our use. Safety first. Always understand your fuses and earthing.
Oh yeah, let's see if you are ready for the exam. To pass physics, you must show your workings clearly and always include the correct units. If you calculate force and forget to write N for newtons, you will lose marks. Use your diagrams to explain your points. Now, try these 5 questions to test your knowledge. Success is yours if you stay consistent. Let's